Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shazi Zahir. I am the English teacher in the Educator Farooq class campus. Today is 12th December, Saturday. This is my second lecture of class 4. You have learned the literature before. Now we are going to have the grammar topic. Okay. So before we go ahead, we must raise our hand and let's start our class with the name of Allah. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Amin. Well, student, my grammar topic of today is adjective. You know very well because you are in class 4 that what is adjective. Adjective qualifies what? Noun or pronoun. Adjective qualifies noun. Adjective is a quality. It can be good or bad and it qualifies any noun or pronoun. It has some kinds. Today we are going to have only two kinds. Kind number 1 is possessive adjective and kind number 2 is quality adjective. First we will learn what is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are our, my. These words which show the possessions are called possessive adjectives. Our second quality of adjective is quality adjective. Our second kind of adjective is quality adjective. The example of quality adjectives are best, good, beautiful. These are quality adjective which qualifies any noun or pronoun. Only two kinds of adjective we have just learned. I will tell you the difference between the possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun. What is possessive adjective? I just told you before a couple of minutes ago that possessive adjectives are my, your, our. These words are possessive adjectives. For example, today is my birthday. In this sentence, my is possessive adjective. Got it? Now come on possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? They are just same like mine, yours and ours. In the possessive adjective, we learned that the example was today is my birthday. If I ask you when is yours, so the word yours is possessive pronoun here. Got it? You learned that this word yours is showing that this word is possessive pronoun. It is not possessive adjective. In the sentence, today is my birthday. My is possessive adjective here. It means that possessive adjective comes before a noun and possessive pronoun come at the end of the sentence. Okay, keep this in your mind. Now open your TGT book, page number 21. Exercise of this. State whether the underlined words are possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Sentence number 1 is saying, Hamid said that today is his birthday. When is yours? I told you that possessive adjective come before the noun. Birthday is a noun. It is coming before that. His, it means that his is possessive adjective here. When is yours? Yours is coming at the end and having s with it. It means it is showing the possession to the noun. It means this yours is possessive pronoun. Got it? Sentence number 2. This house is ours. Would you like to see my room? Ours is possessive pronoun here. And my is possessive adjective here because it is having a noun after that. Well, student, I hope you learned the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Your homework is, first of all, you will make the title page of adjective. Then open TGT page number 21. There is exercise A in which you need to have this between is a possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. You will be completing all the sentences. I hope you understood all the things. If you are having any hurdle to solve the exercise, we will no matter solve in the Zoom class. Allah Hafiz till then.